Hey, Kansas City, I'm here with my good friend, Alan Landever. He's helping people just like me and you unlock the power of AI. We've got 60 seconds to show you how Landever AI can help you get started with AI. Let's go.
Thanks, Joel. AI can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. That's why we created the AI Quarterly Briefing, a hands on workshop designed to help cut through the jargon and build a solid working understanding of how AI really works. Whether you're brand new to AI or already experimenting with ChatGPT, this session is built for you. We'll explore the latest tools, walk through real world applications, and even guide you in building your own AI assistant. You'll leave with practical skills, fresh ideas, and the confidence to start using AI in your work right away. It's learning by doing, and it's the perfect way to stay ahead.
All right, everybody, I have seen firsthand how Alan makes AI simple, approachable, and fun. He helped me. He can help you too. Whether you're just a little curious, you're just getting started, or you're looking to get ahead and advance your skills, this is the place to dive in. Don't miss out. Sign up today and start exploring what AI can do for you.